All right, we got a little progress update on the 79. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day of it. This is episode 4. Welcome back. Yeah, so a little update on the 79 for you guys. But before we get started, make sure you like the channel and make sure you subscribe. You know what we got going. We got a 2000. Oh no, we covered that last episode. Yeah, since last episode, we got some nice LED headlights going on there. We also have the white hood back on. I just threw I threw my 37s on there. 37 Archons. I gotta do that again. So yeah, I also threw my 37 Archons on there. Yep, Archon off-road. I don't know if you can see that. Fits real nice in the fender well. And in case anybody's wondering, these are Toyo Open Country AT3 37-inch by 12.5. Continuing. We still got to get this back sealed up. Inside the cab coming along real good. Wiring, excellent. Got our dash mocked up. All our wiring is really cleaned up pretty good. Next up is probably going to be sealing that back, and we still got a few holes along this backside we got to fill. And then we can put the rest of the seats in and find some carpet and check out that original door panel. Oh, and also make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe, you know. So yeah, let me show you how this hood pops now. Just sick, bro. Got this little hood lever down here, and just pull that lever and this thing just jumps, I tell ya. Oh wow, yeah, just look at that jump. Alright, and then okay, so now we just got a little lever down here, pull to the side, and up the hood goes. Underneath we have coolant reservoir, custom made by yours truly. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Exactly the same as the stuff you bought the first time. Here, fill the thin stuff then.
What? This is a thick?
Yeah.
But there's a layer thinner, isn't there?
Just the thin stuff.
Is there not a layer thicker?
Yeah, you can get like 1/26 mil.
Yeah. I think it'd be better to use that on the flat, but I don't know, because like right now, like I think it's really help close it off, because like, it's really...
Double layer it.
What?
A lot of people double layer it.
Oh really?
It's not a problem to double layer it, no?